Master the use of can in negative sentences. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we are delving into the world of modal verbs, specifically, how to use can in negative sentences. Understanding this is key to express inability or impossibility in English. So, let's get started. Before we dive into our main topic, let's have a quick recap of modal verbs. Modal verbs are auxiliary verbs that express necessity, possibility, permission, or ability. In our case today, can is a modal verb used to express ability or possibility. We often use the verb can to show that someone has the ability or skill to do something. For instance, you can say, I can swim, or she can play the guitar. But what if we want to express the opposite? This is where negative sentences with can come into play. To make a negative sentence with can, we simply add not after can, making it can't or cannot. This way, we express inability or impossibility. For example, I can't swim, or she can't play the guitar. It's important to remember that can't is a contraction of cannot, and they are used interchangeably in English. Let's look at a few more examples. 1. I can't reach the top shelf. Here, can't expresses physical inability. 2. You can't see air. In this case, can't expresses impossibility. 3. They can't come to the party tonight. Here, can't indicates that they are not able to attend due to some reason. Now, it's time for you to practice. Try forming negative sentences using can and comment below. And that wraps up our discussion on using can in negative sentences. Understanding this will enhance your English conversation skills and make you sound more fluent and natural. Remember, practice is key. So, keep practicing and keep improving. We hope this video has been helpful, and we'll see you next time with another exciting topic. Happy learning!